Ashtavakrasana. It is not Asta Vakrasana or Asta Vakrasana. Correct pronunciation is Ashta Vakrasana. Please note, letter S with a dot underneath sounds like sh as in shine. Letter T with a dot underneath sounds like t as in to or train. Ashta Vakrasana. Ashtavakrasana. Sage Ashtavakra, Rishi Ashtavakra, was cursed while in his mother's womb. As a result of the curse, he was born with 8 deformities and was therefore named Ashtavakra, one with Ashta, 8, Vakra, crooked limbs. Sage Ashtavakra is revered for his wisdom and insight into the highest spiritual truths. His dialogue as the Guru with his disciple, King Janaka, is known as Ashtavakra Gita, Ashtavakra Samhita. Ashtavakra Gita, one of the foremost among the world's classical works on Advaita Vedanta, non-duality, systematically explains transcendental peace, the highest reality, self. Here are some of the samples of verses from the book, from the scriptural text Ashtavakra Gita. Ashtavakrasana, 8-angle pose. Ashtavakra, Rishi Ashtavakra. Again, Ashta is 8, Vakra is crooked. Asana, pose. Ashtavakra, Asana. Ashtavakrasana.